Hey friends, welcome to my channel, Adia Sherelle. Today I'll be showing you how I got this braid out, twist out combo. Yes, you heard me. It's a braid out and it's a twist out. It's the best of both worlds together. And this is a no gel thing too. So your hair won't be crunchy, it'll still be nice and soft. We love it. Keep watching. Got done with washing my hair and deep conditioning it. I want my hair to just be free and loose. I'm just going to be doing a leave-in concoction that I put together. It's leave-in, aloe vera juice, and castor oil. So I am starting with in the back. I have a section about this big. I'm gonna put in a little leave-in, or maybe a lot of leave-in. Brush it through gently with the Denman brush. Start with the braid. I am starting with a braid. I am going to braid this down just about halfway, okay? So just go ahead, make sure you don't share any pieces of hair. Just keep the same original strands. So I'm going to do a braid and then a twist on the end. I transitioned to the twist. I just put two of the sides together. And when you're twisting the hair, you want to have some good tension. You want the twist to be pretty tight so you could get that curl. And I twirl it on the ends, and there you have it. I'm trying to grow out my hair for once. I love me a bob. To all my bob girls out there. But yeah, we're gonna let it grow out. Giving it a little twirl on the end. All right, so two down, moving on along. Safer to work when your hair is damp, not like sopping wet. Like if you're planning on putting a brush or a comb through your hair, wait till it dries just a little bit. Wait until it's damp. Okay, and then you want to start styling using styling tools. Okay, and look how my hair is like so much more manageable now. I love it. I've been keeping up with keeping the hair moisturized so it could be nice and flexible. That's what you want to prevent breakage. And when I say moisturized, I mean like make sure at some point you're adding some water, H2O, to your hair. Keep that thing juicy. All right, just twisting the ends. And there you have it. And this is going to be a chunky braid out. And then I'm just going to go in once it's all dry and separate it out. You know, if one strand is shorter than the other, I normally connect it to a long strand and then I start to twist. Okay, you see? Yeah. I like to take the hair out of the brush. I just feel like there are loose strands that could get more tangled onto my hair. I don't know if that's a legit thing. I do it. That's just me. And I want to talk to you guys about something because I want to know if it's just me. Like, does working after the pandemic feel different? Like, I don't know. I've just been struggling with work now. I mean, it's always been stressful, just the nature of my work because I'm a social worker. But it just feels different this time around. I don't know. It's like the pandemic really put things into perspective. And I think I just had moments to think more about what really matters. And feeling this type of stress, it's fatigue for sure. Stress fatigue, just everything that was going on with the pandemic, so much civil unrest. I had a serious injury. I tore my Achilles last June. So it's just work and all the stress I feel. I'm like, this ain't it. And this ain't worth it. And I'm so over it. And I just wonder if you guys can relate, you know? I am all done with my braids. They're all in. Let me just give you a 360. Bam. Oh, okay. Let's 360 I said, right? I am going to let this dry overnight. Let's see if it'll be dry. Let's see if it'll be dry. Okay, so I am back. I am taking out my braid twist combo. And you want to be pretty gentle as you're taking this out. Yes, the key is to definitely take your time when you're taking out your braids or your twists, because you want to eliminate as much frizz as possible. You want to be able to have more control when you separate it later. I am going through each one somehow, some way. Every time I manage not to take out all of my braids and I forgot to in the middle, but it's fine. I got to it. Here, I am going in and separating each little section. So when you take out the braids, it's 3 sections. I go in each of the 3 sections and start gently pulling it apart until it gives the volume and fullness that I like. But don't do too much because you want it to last for a couple of days. And it'll naturally separate more as the days go on. Okay, we are all done. What do you all think? She cute. I'm so happy to have my hair out and free. Just letting it do what it do, baby. Yes, I love it. I really hope that you enjoyed the video, that your hair came out beautifully. I know it will. And the beauty of it all, natural hair, you're gonna get different results, different times. Just go with it. Just be open to it. Be flexible. Just like our strands are flexible, hair can teach a valuable lesson about life. Your hair is flexible, it's ever changing. Sometimes we need to incorporate that into our lives so we can accept things for the beauty that exists in that moment and how our hair shows up. However we show up that day, it's all about flexibility, grace, all of that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the tribe and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook. I'm all over these internets, okay? Yes, so thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.